In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Canva subscription. Whether you're moving on to another service or just trying to cut back on expenses, stopping your subscription doesn't have to be a hassle. So let's walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring a smooth and easy experience. First, you'll need to visit the Canva website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner of your Canva dashboard. Clicking it will take you to your account settings. This is where you'll manage most of the administrative tasks related to your Canva account, including subscription details. Next up, you'll want to find and click on the billing section. This is crucial as it's here that you'll find all information related to your current plan and charges. By clicking here, you can view the specifics of your subscription, including your next billing date and the plan you are currently subscribed to. Understanding this page will help you make informed decisions about whether to pause or end your subscription based on the benefits of the current plan. Now, as you navigate through the billing section, keep an eye out for the three dots, which act as a More Options menu. This is a common design element in digital interfaces, aimed at tidily storing extra features and options. Click here to reveal additional actions you can take. Once you have accessed the additional options, you will see an option labeled Cancel Plan. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process. Canvas might ask you a couple of things here, such as the reason for your cancellation, and possibly an attempt to offer an alternative to suit your needs better. It's essential to follow through each prompt to complete the cancellation procedure. Remember, many services use this process to help them understand customer needs better and potentially improve their offerings. And that's it! By following these straightforward steps, you can easily cancel your Canva subscription without any frustration. You'll receive an email confirming the cancellation to ensure everything is squared away. Keep an eye on your inbox for this confirmation to guarantee that there are no future charges. If you ever decide to return, you can always restart your subscription by simply logging back into your account and choosing a plan once again. Remember, managing subscriptions efficiently is an excellent step toward maintaining a balanced budget, and knowing how to easily navigate through these changes can save you time and money. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials like this one.